Your journey in skilled trades starts at the Center for Skilled Trades and Technology.
The stackable courses here at Humber are a 3-level program which start with a single year, a double year, or a triple year program, being Carpentry and Renovation Techniques first year, which is a certificate program, Building Construction Technician, which is a 2-year program, and our Construction Engineering Technology program, which is a 3-year advanced diploma program.
Our labs are populated with the industry sort of standard tools.
When I entered through that door, I was so excited because oh wow, now we're gonna use the power tools.
Here we're in the 4,500 square foot lab that we have for all our construction programs. We integrate classroom as well as in-lab activities and exercises on a weekly basis.
We have students who graduate and join companies, and some of our students end up creating their own small renovation businesses.
The reason why I chose Humber is because I know that I will be learning from the industry experts, and I am sure that I will be learning from the best of the best, and they will help me be equipped when I start my own project management career.